I think the Hot 50 Pro Plus has one of the best designs I've seen on any mid-range phone, and the display is truly impressive thanks to the AMOLED screen. It has similar features as the Spark 30 Pro, like the Helio G100 chipset and 33 watts fast charging, but it has a new camera design and sleeker build. Could this be the best smartphone in its class, or am I getting too excited? And yeah, it's priced at 277,000 naira. For the unboxing, the Hot 50 Pro Plus sits right at the top. Underneath, you find a 33 watts fast charger to keep the charging time short, a USB-C cable, and a pair of headphones for instant out-of-the-box audio experience. Infinix also included a screen protector and a protective case, so you have everything you need right out the box. For the design, I think the Hot 50 Pro Plus is one of the slimmest phones I've seen this year, making it feel sleek and comfortable to hold. The back has a triple camera setup in a vertical layout, giving it a high-end look even though 2 cameras of the 3 cameras are only functional. The device is lightweight, weighs around 190 grams, makes it easy to handle and carry about. The back has a glossy finish, which not only looks great but also feels smooth to touch without adding extra weight. The Hot 50 Pro Plus comes with IP54 rating, which means it's dust and splash resistant, making it suitable for everyday use. I think Infinix has done a great job creating a stylish, ultra slim phone that looks premium without the high price tag. For the display, the Hot 50 Pro Plus offers a curved 6.7-inch AMOLED display with impressive visual quality. Infinix says it has 1 billion colors. It delivers vivid true-to-life visual with excellent color depth, making images, videos appear more immersive with a peak brightness of 1800 nits. This display remains highly visible even under bright sunlight. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures fluid scrolling and responsive gaming. You also get an always-on display. This feature allows you to check the time, notifications, and other info without fully waking up this device. For audio, the device comes with JBL tuned speakers that deliver high-quality audio. Whether you're watching movies, music, or gaming, the sound is clear and balanced. On carton, you can see there's 5-year lag-free experience. According to Infinix, the Hot 50 Pro Plus can stay fast and responsive for up to 5 years. With a MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, Android 14, this phone can handle daily apps, multitasking, moderate gaming smoothly even on long-term use. Thanks to Infinix software tuning and sturdy hardware, the phone is built to keep on everyday demands, reducing slowness as years go by. For performance, the Hot 50 Pro Plus runs on the MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, which also powers the Spark 30 Pro. While it's not top tier, the processor is strong for its price range. It can handle everyday tasks like browsing, social media, video streaming with ease. For gaming, the G100 offers a decent gaming experience. You can play games like Call of Duty on medium graphics and high frame rates, balancing visual and performance. You can play PUBG on HD graphics and high frame rates. For heavier games like Warzone, you will need to switch to low graphics and low frame rates. Overall, I think the G100 chipset handles moderate gaming very well. Plus, you get thermal cooling to stop this phone from overheating. So Infinix says the Hot 50 Pro Plus is made of Titan armor. Let's do a drop test. Still working. For RAM and storage, the Hot 50 Pro Plus comes in 2 options. There's the 128 and the 256 storage, but they both come with 8GB RAM. The 8GB of RAM helps the phone run smoothly. You can easily multitask without any fear of this phone lagging. For storage option, 128GB is good for everyday users who mainly take photos or use it for social media. 256 is better for those who download a lot and save videos and photos. There's also storage expansion. This phone has a memory card slot and it can go up to 2 terabytes. For software, the Hot 50 Pro Plus runs on Android 14 with Infinix XOS 14 skin, creating a smooth and user-friendly experience. Android 14 enhances security, multitasking, and performance, while XOS 14 adds unique features and customization options. You also get some AI features on XOS 14. One standout feature is Object Eraser, which lets you remove unwanted items from photos with just a tap. There's also an AI feature to summarize web pages. This can be useful for people that don't like to read or don't have the time. The improved voice assistant is smarter as well. It's good at handling research, reminders, and navigating apps. Infinix also promises 1 year of software updates and security. Though, Most brands give 2 to 3 years. For security features, the Hot 50 Pro Plus comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. This means you can unlock your phone quickly by placing your fingerprint on your screen. There's also face unlock, pattern and pin code. This can be used as an alternative to lock your device. For the camera, the Hot 50 Pro Plus comes with a 50 megapixel main camera which captures sharp and vibrant photos, especially in good lighting. The large sensor brings out plenty of details, giving you quality shots even at the affordable price. In low light setting, night mode brightens up scenes and keeps noise low, delivering solid results in darker environments. For video, the Hot 40 Pro Plus supports 2K recording at 30 frames per second, providing clear and decent quality footage. For selfie, you get an 8MP front camera that captures clear and vibrant selfies. The camera is good for low lighting condition. You can also record videos with the selfie camera at 2K at 30 frames per second, which makes it a good device to make video calls or vlogs. There's an inbuilt LED flashlight that can help you brighten up your face in dark areas. For battery, the Hot 50 Pro Plus comes with a 5000 mAh battery, providing you up to 24 hours of battery life if you're a light user. If you're a heavy user, you get about 13 hours with heavy usage, and you get a 33 watts wire charger that allows you to top up this device from 0 to 50% in just 27 minutes. The device also supports bypass charging and reverse wireless charging. So as usual, pros and cons before I give my conclusion. Pro number 1, sleek design. One of the best designs I've seen in a mid-range phone this year. Very slim and stylish. Pro number 2, cameras are really good. 50MP camera that takes good photos, low lights, or even in the darkness. It's very good. Pro number 3, impressive chipset. The G100 chipset is really reliable for a mid-range phone. It's smooth for multitasking and gaming. Kudos to Infinix team for doing this. Pro number 4, long life battery, 5000 mAh battery that can carry you for 24 hours and 33 watts fast charging that can top up the device in no time. Now my final pro, amazing AI features. Most phones in this price range don't even have AI features, so it's a big win. For the con, I think I only have one, and it's a big one. Limited software updates. I don't think 1 year is enough for a device of this price, at least 2 years. Now for my conclusion, I think the Hot 50 Pro Plus stands out as a stylish and reliable mid-range phone. It offers impressive features like a good camera, strong battery life, quick charging, and it makes it a choice for everyday use. While it may not compete with flagship device, the combination of performance, design, and affordability makes it a solid choice for most people looking for a dependable device. If you're looking for a mid-range phone that will break the bank and that can deliver, I think this is one to consider. As usual, like, share, drop a comment, let me know what you think about this device and my review, and I'll see you guys in the next one.